Want to know the ancient secret that could transform your health? For centuries, healers knew about a powerful combination that could reset your gut health overnight, melt away joint pain, balance blood sugar naturally, give you glowing, youthful skin, regrow thinning hair, help you sleep like a baby, stop migraines in their tracks. With two simple ingredients, both are probably sitting in your kitchen right now. The secret? Castor oil and olive oil. But there's a specific way to use them that most people don't know about. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock the healing power of this ancient remedy. Plus, I'll reveal when you should never use this mixture. This is crucial. Ready to discover nature's most powerful healing duo? Keep watching. Back in the day, ancient healers relied on nature's most potent remedies. Simple, powerful, and surprisingly effective. One such gem is the magical combination of castor oil and olive oil. I know you're curious about this time-tested secret and how to use it to unlock its full potential. So let's get into it and really explore how this natural duo can work wonders for you. Starting with a natural gut reset. The power of castor and olive oil. Ever feel that heavy, sluggish feeling in your stomach after a big meal, like your digestion hit the brakes? Or maybe your gut just isn't cooperating, leaving you frustrated and uncomfortable? Don't worry, there's an old-school natural remedy that could completely change how you care for your digestive health. The powerful combination of castor oil and olive oil. This duo has been a trusted go-to for centuries. Castor oil is famous for its strong laxative effects, helping your system clear out waste effortlessly. Olive oil, packed with healthy fats, acts as a natural lubricant for your digestive tract, making everything run more smoothly. When paired together, these oils don't just tackle constipation, they give your entire digestive system a much-needed refresh, leaving you feeling lighter and more at ease. Here's how you can try this easy, effective remedy. Start by mixing 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. For best results, take it on an empty stomach, ideally in the morning. If the flavor feels a bit intense, you can dilute it with fresh juice or warm water to make it more palatable. Once you've taken the mixture, wait about 30 to 60 minutes before having breakfast. This gives the oils time to work their magic. In just a few hours, you should notice the effects, whether it's relief from bloating or a much-needed bowel movement. If you're dealing with constipation, you can use this remedy 2 to 3 times a week. For occasional heartburn or mild digestive irritation, try taking it after a light meal. It can help calm things down and ease discomfort. Next, relieving joint pain and improving mobility. Ever wake up feeling like your joints are stiff as a board or find it tough to move because of nagging pain and swelling? It's frustrating when your body just won't cooperate. But don't worry, there's a natural remedy that's been trusted for centuries: the powerful combo of castor oil and olive oil. This dynamic duo is a game changer for soothing joint pain and tackling inflammation. Castor oil, famous for its anti-inflammatory benefits, dives deep into your skin, targeting the swollen, inflamed areas around your joints. Meanwhile, olive oil, packed with healthy fats, works like a natural lubricant for your muscles and joints, easing stiffness and helping you move more freely. Think of it as giving your body a much-needed tune-up, helping you feel more flexible, comfortable, and ready to take on the day with ease. Next, regulating blood sugar levels. As we get older, keeping blood sugar levels in check becomes a top priority, especially for those facing risks like diabetes or insulin resistance. The good news? Olive oil can be a simple yet powerful ally in this journey. Packed with healthy fats and antioxidants, it helps boost insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to manage blood sugar like a pro. Adding olive oil to your daily routine is easy and effective. A drizzle over your salad or using it as a cooking oil can work wonders. For the best results, try incorporating 1 to 2 tablespoons into your meals each day. This small change can help smooth out those pesky blood sugar spikes and dips, reducing risks like fatigue and heart complications over time. By making olive oil a regular in your diet, you're not just enhancing flavor, you're also giving your body the tools it needs to stay balanced and healthy. A simple habit with a big impact. Up next, improving skin health. Who doesn't love smooth, glowing skin that feels soft and well-nourished? If that sounds like a dream, here's some great news. The ancient combination of castor oil and olive oil is a powerful natural remedy that can tackle a range of skin issues and often delivers results faster than you'd think. From dryness and irritation to minor cuts and redness, this blend works wonders to rejuvenate your skin in just a few days. Castor oil, loaded with fatty acids and anti-inflammatory properties, is like a calming balm for irritated or inflamed skin. Olive oil, rich in antioxidants like vitamin E, takes it up a notch by locking in deep hydration and encouraging faster healing. Together, these oils don't just sit on the surface, they penetrate deep to provide lasting moisture and soothe any redness or irritation. Here's how to use this skin-saving duo. Start by mixing equal parts of castor oil and olive oil in a small bowl. Gently warm the mixture to enhance absorption, but don't let it get too hot. Massage the oil blend into your skin, focusing on areas with dryness, redness, or small wounds. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes so your skin can soak up all those nutrients. For deeper healing, you can even leave it on overnight. Just rinse it off with a gentle cleanser in the morning to remove any excess oil. If you're dealing with chronic dryness, try this soothing ritual 2 or 3 times a week. You'll notice a visible difference: softer, more hydrated skin with a natural, healthy glow. Say goodbye to irritation and hello to a refreshed, radiant you. Another benefit is promoting hair growth. Does your hair feel like it could use a little extra love? Whether you've noticed some thinning over time or just want stronger, healthier locks, the solution might be closer than you think, right in your kitchen. The classic duo of castor oil and olive oil isn't just a skin savior, it's also a tried and true secret for encouraging hair growth and strength, no matter your age. Castor oil is a powerhouse for nourishing and stimulating hair follicles, while olive oil steps in to improve blood flow to the scalp. This boost in circulation delivers more oxygen and nutrients straight to your hair roots, helping them grow thicker, shinier, and healthier. Think of it as a gentle nudge to your scalp, reminding those hair follicles to get to work. Here's how to use this hair-loving remedy. Mix equal parts castor oil and olive oil in a small bowl, then warm the mixture slightly, just enough to make it comfortable. Massage the oil gently into your scalp, letting it soak in for at least 30 minutes. For a deeper treatment, pop on a shower cap and leave it overnight. When you're ready, rinse it out with your regular shampoo, and voila! To see the best results, repeat this routine 2 or 3 times a week. Whether you're looking to restore volume or just give your hair some extra care, this simple remedy could be exactly what you need. Because who says fabulous hair has an age limit? Give it a go and let your scalp and hair soak in the magic. Next, enhancing sleep quality. We've all been there, those restless nights where sleep feels just out of reach. Whether it's stress, a racing mind, or the natural restlessness that sometimes comes with age, it can leave you longing for a peaceful, uninterrupted slumber. Luckily, a simple blend of castor oil and olive oil might be the natural remedy you need to drift off and stay asleep. This calming combination works wonders to relax your body and set the stage for deep, restorative sleep. Castor oil offers a mild sedative effect that soothes the nerves and promotes relaxation. Olive oil, rich in antioxidants, supports your body's natural rhythms to enhance sleep quality. Together, they're like a gentle lullaby for your mind and body, helping you sleep faster and more soundly. Here's how to use this nighttime helper. Warm up a teaspoon each of castor oil and olive oil, just enough to make it pleasantly warm. Massage the blend onto your temples, neck, or even the soles of your feet about 20 to 30 minutes before bedtime. This simple act not only relaxes your muscles but also signals your brain that it's time to wind down. Make this soothing ritual a regular part of your bedtime routine, and you'll likely notice yourself falling asleep easier and waking up refreshed. No need for pills or complicated tricks. Just a natural, gentle solution that works with your body to improve sleep and help you feel truly rested. Sweet dreams. Treating migraines is another great benefit. Migraines can feel like a storm cloud hanging over your day, making even the smallest tasks feel overwhelming. If you're looking for a natural way to find relief, the combination of castor oil and olive oil might be your new go-to remedy. This ancient solution, once favored for everything from joint pain to headaches, is now understood to be a natural powerhouse for easing discomfort. Castor oil is a potent anti-inflammatory that works to calm tension and swelling, while olive oil's healthy fats boost circulation, easing the pressure that often triggers migraines. Together, they're like a gentle balm for your overworked nerves and muscles. Here's how you can use this soothing duo. Warm up a teaspoon of each oil, just enough to make it comfortably warm. Massage the blend gently onto your temples, neck, and the base of your skull. As you do, imagine yourself in a calm, quiet space, breathing deeply while the warmth of the oils works its magic, melting away the tension. This simple ritual not only soothes your nerves, but also reduces inflammation in your blood vessels, one of the main culprits behind migraine pain. Use this natural remedy during particularly stressful times, to keep migraines at bay or as part of your weekly self-care routine. It's a gentle yet effective way to break free from the cycle of headaches and reclaim your day. No pills required. Next, boosting the immune system. Immune system is like your personal bodyguard, always on duty to fend off harmful bacteria and viruses fuss. But as we age, it can use a little extra support to stay in top shape. That's where the powerful combination of castor oil and olive oil steps in. Packed with antioxidants like vitamin E, these oils help neutralize free radicals, those pesky molecules that can damage cells, and give your immune system the boost it needs to stay strong and resilient. Incorporating this into your daily routine is simple. Just mix up a teaspoon of the oil blend and add it to your meals. Drizzle it over a crisp green salad or stir it into a warm bowl of soup for an easy immune upgrade. With regular use, you may notice your body bouncing back quicker from colds and flu, feeling stronger and more protected. For even better results, pair this habit with other immunity-boosting practices like drinking plenty of water, exercising regularly, and managing stress. Small, consistent steps can make a big difference in keeping your body's natural defenses ready for anything life throws your way. A healthier, stronger you starts with these simple choices. Next on our list, detoxifying the body. Feeling sluggish, bloated, or just off lately? Your body might be signaling that it's time for a detox. The powerful combination of castor oil and olive oil is here to help. These two oils work together to support your liver, the organ responsible for filtering out toxins and keeping your body clean. Castor oil boosts liver function, while olive oil provides healthy fats that protect your liver from stress and inflammation. Here's the best way to use it. Take 1 tablespoon of olive oil with a few drops of castor oil first thing in the morning. To make it more enjoyable, add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This simple mix helps jumpstart your liver's natural detox process and clears out waste that's built up overnight. As you make this a regular part of your routine, you'll start to notice a difference: less bloating, more energy, and brighter skin. Over time, your body will become more efficient at flushing out toxins, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. A simple yet powerful way to give your body the detox it deserves. When and why you should avoid this mixture. While the combination of castor oil and olive oil offers many impressive health benefits, it's essential to keep in mind that it might not be the right choice for everyone or in every situation. As with any remedy, it's important to consider your personal health needs and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or underlying conditions. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it's important to avoid castor oil. It has historically been used to induce labor because it can trigger muscle contractions, including those in the uterus. This can increase the risk of premature labor or other complications. For new mothers, using castor oil while breastfeeding could lead to the oil passing through to the baby, potentially causing digestive discomfort. Digestive conditions. If you have inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, it's best to avoid castor oil. Its potent laxative effect can worsen symptoms, leading to increased diarrhea, dehydration, and cramping. Gallbladder and pancreatic issues. It's best to avoid the castor oil and olive oil mixture if you have certain health conditions such as gallstones or gallbladder issues. Olive oil can trigger the release of bile, which may aggravate these conditions. Pancreatitis. The fats in olive oil can put extra stress on the pancreas, potentially worsening inflammation. If you have either of these conditions, it's important to consult your healthcare provider before using this oil blend to ensure it's safe for you. Allergic reactions. Some people may be allergic to castor oil or olive oil. If you notice any signs of irritation, rash, or discomfort, stop using it immediately. Always test a small amount on a patch of skin first. The combination of castor oil and olive oil is an ancient natural remedy with amazing health benefits. If you try it and find positive results, don't hesitate to share this information with your loved ones. Your health matters, and we wish you days filled with wellness and vitality. Thank you so much for joining us today. We truly appreciate your time and support. Take care, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.